This is my 1995 5450 BTU Kenmore. I have made videos of this before, but I never showed it with the kilowatt meter, and I want to do that. This is the most efficient out of all of the 90s WCI air conditioners that I have, and that's because this one has a PSC motor in it. The other two from the 90s, at Holmes and the White Westinghouse, those have shaded pole motors, and they draw more power than this one does. So this is the most efficient. There's the sticker. 5.2 amps. The other ones are rated at 6.2 amps, and they're only 5200 BTU. So I got the heater in front of it. Just warm it up so the compressor will start. This one has a General Electric fan motor in it. The other two, one of them has a Macmillan and the other one has a Westinghouse. But yeah, I don't think I've ever showed this one with the kilowatt meter, so that's why I'm doing this video now. And the compressor is made by Sanyo. You can't really see it, but this air conditioner was very poorly treated before I got it. It looks like it's been dropped. As you can see, it's kind of bent. Or something was dropped on it, who knows. The condenser coil was completely destroyed. I straightened it out as best as I could. It was really, really messed up. Someone did not treat this thing very well. It still works great though, and it's very, very quiet. So I'm just waiting for the thermostat to click now. I might turn it on just fan only. Well, this doesn't have a fan only setting. It's got cool, which is the normal side, and then energy saver. So it turns the fan off and the compressor turns off. But, I'll let it keep warming up. I turned the thermostat all the way up so the compressor wouldn't start. Let me go ahead and turn this on and we can see how many amps the fan motor itself draws. Go to high. And we are pulling 0.44 amps, 54 watts. It's a very efficient motor, especially compared to the other two, which are shaded pole. Medium. And low. There's a slightly better view of the Sanyo compressor. And then there is the GE fan motor. See the logo, but it is a GE motor. Compressor should be ready to start now, so let's turn it on. Runs nice and smooth. We're at about 3 amps right now. Wattage. Let's let it build pressure and see what it gets up to. It's been a couple minutes. We're at 2.87. It's slowly going up. And that's with it running on low speed. Let's go up to high. Doesn't really increase much. That motor draws pretty much the same amperage, well, almost the same amperage on all speeds. Here's how the compressor sounds while it's under pressure. And we're at 3.46. It's been running for probably about 10 minutes now. I think it's been about 20 minutes now. and that's where we're at on low, 3.78 amps, 400, sorry about that, 423 watts. Go up to high speed. This is blowing nice cold air, even with the heater going right into it. So I think that's where it's going to sit now. Definitely more efficient than the other two from the 90s that I have. I don't know if you noticed or not, but it was actually drawing less power on high speed because it was keeping the pressure lower. So I guess that just goes to show that when it's really hot outside, you should always run these on high.